everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change email address on eToro account. To change your email address on eToro, launch or open the eToro application from your mobile device and log in. You may also go ahead and log into eToro.com on a web browser. Either way, once you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner from the main homepage. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Account, and then click the Change button right next to your email address. Enter the new email address you are trying to change to. After typing in an email address, click on Done at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, enter the verification code that you will receive on your email inbox that you've just entered. Copy the verification code after you open up your email inbox and paste it inside your verification tab. Click on Activate Now and you will be able to change your email address for eToro. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.